Hello, I'm dgerard, and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, the market for AI music is gullible journalists and nobody else. So you know I write about AI and reluctantly crypto, and I'm also a sometime rock journalist. I am cynical without limit about the music industry. Now, sometimes a song just comes out of nowhere, and it does great. But also, there's well-worn paths to buying your way to a small amount of public attention, and these ways have been common as long as there's been mass media with music in. Now, Spotify plays and followers are a commodity. You can just buy them. We wrote up last year how a guy bought himself a ton of Spotify streams of AI tracks. Instagram followers are a commodity you can just buy. And if someone cracks out Suno and generates yet another song with the lights are low but the beat is high, they're not going to get organic attention because nobody likes AI music slop. But if they can get gullible idiots in the music press to report on them, they're much happier. And frankly, there are some bozo journalists at the papers these days who will write up anything that says a robot might replace humans. We've seen the fake fashion one a couple of times already, where a brand promises things that are actually impossible, or some chances lie that they're using AI because they're trying to sell you a PDF on how to make money like they did. These fakes would not have worked without foolish journalists who fail to ask the most basic and obvious questions. I am blaming the journalists who write up these fakes as if they are not the fakes they really obviously are. And you should blame the journalists too. It's the same with fake bands. I'm reluctant to even mention these scoundrels. There's another one every week, because even attention on Pivot to AI is feeding the hype machine. The bozo behind the Velvet Sundown project even sent me a press release about his latest AI fake band project, saying I should expose them. And he signed his name. And that's all the mention that'll get. But they did suck in some gullible idiots from the press. I am absolutely blaming the journalists who write as if we don't have 100 years of bands trying to buy success. I'm looking at you, Brian Hyatt from Rolling Stone. You have no excuse not to know better. The key tell is that all the numbers are ones that are really easy to fake. You can buy followers and you can buy clicks. You can do fake deals where you claim a huge payment on a contract, but no actual money moves. You can't buy organic interest. Nobody talks about the bands, except the obviously AI-generated comments. Nobody is interested, except they might click on it once because there was a headline in an easily fooled music outlet about the AI artist. There is no evidence anyone actually likes AI music slop. Today we have a band called Breaking Rust. It topped the Billboard Country charts. Wow. Well, it tops the Billboard Country Digital Downloads chart. That's one of the very tiny also-ran charts. Breaking Rust's total sales to top the Country Downloads chart were 3,000 downloads. They bought their way onto the chart with $3,000. That was enough for gullible media idiots, including a gullible writer at Billboard itself. Xander Zellner is our lucky loser today, the guy who had no excuse not to know better and not to say dumb stuff such as, quote, "At least one AI artist has debuted in each of the past 6 chart weeks, a streak suggesting this trend is quickly accelerating," unquote. Maybe the trend of buying yourself coverage. Come on, Xander. I know music journalism is a super tough game right now. It's hard out there. But this was just a very dumb thing to write. Please, do better. When you see one of these AI bands or AI singers or AI actors, check for anything verifiable and real. Check for numbers that can't be faked. You won't find them, because nobody wants AI slop artists. You will find easily fooled writers who really need to step away from the keyboard and think for a bit. It's not that hard. Come on, guys. You can do it. Give it a go. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. If you liked this episode, don't forget to forward it to just one chicken little who's trying to tell you the sky is falling because someone cares about AI music slop. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice podcast review, and don't forget to drop just $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes to demonstrate your commitment to organic, non-AI media production like this. And buy the t-shirts too, they're real good. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.